Attention Rowe Middle School. The Unity Affinity Group will be meeting on Thursdays during the last period of the day. This group is for students who identify as LGBTQIA+. This is a group that is in addition to the Wednesday evening after-school Unity team. The Unity Affinity Group will be held during the last Thursday of every month. For the first session, we will make an announcement on the loudspeaker for interested individuals to join us in the upper gym.
If you would like to join us, head to the gym immediately. We will be discussing the following questions. What do you want out of the Unity Club? How do you feel at Rowe Middle School who identifies as LGBTQIA+? What are the things that our school can help our community feel safe? So if you want to join Unity team, come down to the upper gym and join us Thursday after we make the announcement.
This is an opportunity to create a space for our LGBTQIA+ community, so please only join if you're a member or an ally. See you there!